Employing a new member.
Well, this woman may be suitable for the job, but is she energetic enough?
Yes, she certainly seems to have lots of energy.
She's got to be ambitious, too. Is she?
Yes, she has plenty of ambition.
And we really need a flexible sort of person. Do you think she is?
She seems to be determined enough, but she's a little tough.
Well, I guess we'll give her a try and see how she works out.
A date.
What are you so happy about? You're grinning from ear to ear.
Sandy and I are going to go out this weekend.
Oh, yeah? That's fast work. That's great. Which night are you going to see her? Friday or Saturday?
On Friday. She isn't going to be in town on Saturday and Sunday. She's going to visit a friend in Quebec.
What are you going to do on Friday?
I don't know yet. Do you have any ideas?
How about taking her to a Chinese restaurant? I've heard that she likes Chinese food.
That's a great idea.
What are you going to wear on your date?
I'm going to wear my new suit.
That's too formal. Wear your jeans and a t-shirt.
How about your sports jacket? Are you going to wear it on Friday night?
No, I am not. Go ahead and wear it.
What did you do yesterday?
Hi, how are you? You look tired. Did you sleep okay last night?
No, I didn't.
Why? What did you do yesterday?
I went to a nightclub last night and danced all night.
Oh, yeah? Did you have a good time?
I had a wonderful time, but I'm beat today.
What time did you leave the nightclub?
I left at about 3 a.m.
I'm not surprised that you're tired. Which nightclub did you go to?
Fantastic. It's on Ontario Street. It's really nice. Traveling by air.
Do I check in here for Air Canada to Mexico?
Do you already have your ticket?
Yes, here you are.
Thank you. Can you put your luggage up here, please?
Sure, I have 3 suitcases.
We allow only 2 pieces. You'll have to pay an extra charge.
Oh, can I carry this one with me?
No, I'm sorry. It won't fit under your seat. That's $45.
Here you are.
Thank you. You can choose your seat. A window seat or aisle seat.
I'd like a window seat, please.
Fine. Seat 15A. Here's your ticket and your boarding pass. Enjoy your flight. At the customs.
Good morning. Can I see your passport?
Certainly. Here it is.
Yes, that's all right. Have you got anything to declare?
Yes, I have. I've got some whiskey and some cigarettes.
How much whiskey have you got?
A liter.
That's all right. And how many cigarettes have you got?
200.
Fine. What about perfume?
No, I haven't.
Good. Open your case, please.
Pardon?
Open your case, please. Open it now. Oh, dear. Look at this. You've got 3 bottles of whiskey, 400 cigarettes, and a lot of perfume.
Does that mean I can't go? A new baby.
Well, hello, Mr. Wallace. You seem unusually happy today.
I just became a father.
Congratulations! A boy or a girl?
You never saw such a cute girl. 9 pounds, 3 ounces, and as cute as a button.
Doesn't this call for cigars?
Oh, yes, I forgot about the cigars. Here, have one.
Thank you. How's your wife?
She's just fine.
Is English difficult?
Where are you going?
To Canada.
Why are you going there?
I'm going to learn English. There's a school there that has an excellent program.
Is learning English going to be difficult?
Yes, I have to study and practice a lot.
Where is your school?
It's in a town called St. Catharines in Ontario.
I'm jealous. I'll bet you're excited.
Yes, but I'm also really nervous. Washing his car.
Where's Kevin?
He's in front of the house.
What is he doing?
Washing his car.
Not again.
Yes, he takes good care of his car.
But he never cleans his room.
I know, it's always dirty.
And nothing is in order.
You're right, his room is a mess.
Maybe he should move into the car.
At the restaurant.
This is a big menu.
Yeah, what are you getting?
Chicken, peas, and baked potatoes.
I don't know what to get.
They have very good turkey.
I had turkey yesterday.
How about steak?
Perfect. I'll get steak and mashed potatoes.
What vegetable are you getting?
I'm not getting any. I don't like vegetables. When's the baby due?
I have some good news.
What is it?
Lisa is going to have a baby.
That's great. I'm so happy for her.
Me too.
Do they want a boy or a girl?
A girl.
When's the baby due?
In the beginning of September.
I'm going to phone Lisa tonight.
That's nice. Say hello for me.
Bus stop.
Jean.
Barbara, do you work around here?
Yes, I work in that building across the street.
Really? What do you do?
I work in a law office. I'm a secretary.
Oh, that's interesting.
What about you? What do you do?
I work at Durer Restaurant.
Oh, are you a cook?
No, I'm a waitress.
That's a really hard job. I don't envy you.
Me neither. In the bus.
Do you live alone, Jean?
No, I don't. I live with my family. How about you?
I'm married now. I got married last year.
Really? Congratulations. Who did you marry?
His name's Jeff Hunt. He lives in my building.
Oh, what does he do?
He's a doctor.
How wonderful. I'm very happy for you. Gardening.
Your garden is really lovely.
Thank you. I enjoy working in the garden.
Do you do everything yourself?
I trim the bushes and weed the flower beds myself.
Who cuts the grass?
Oh, it's so big that I hire one of the boys in the neighborhood to do it for me.
Well, I must say he does a good job.
Yes, his work is more than satisfactory. A lazy boy.
I'm very angry with my son Harry.
Why? What's the problem?
He's not doing well in school.
That's a surprise. Harry's a smart boy.
Yes, but he never studies.
Did you talk to his teachers?
Yes, I did.
What did they say?
He's a nice boy, but he's very lazy.
Maybe they're right.
I'm afraid so.
Have you thought about getting him a tutor?
Maybe that's a good idea. I really want him to excel.
Let's go look in the phone book now then. Can I drive there?
What time is it?
It's 3 o'clock.
Oh no, I'm late.
Where are you going?
To the dentist.
Can I drive you there?
Sure, that will help.
Do you have a toothache?
Yes, and it's very bad.
I'm sorry to hear that.
I've had it for weeks, and this is the first time that I could get in. My dentist is always so busy.
I guess that's a good thing. It means a lot of people like him. A new dress.
Who is it?
It's me, dear.
Don't you have your key?
No, let me in.
What's in that box? What did you get?
A new dress, honey.
But you have a closet full of dresses.
I know, but I need a new one.
What's wrong with all the other dresses?
They're not this one. A picnic.
Let's go for a picnic.
That's a great idea. Where shall we go?
Let's go to the park.
How far is it?
About a mile.
Is it a nice place?
Sure. It has picnic tables and a beautiful lake.
Good, I'll make some sandwiches.
I'll bring soda and cookies.
The kids will love it.